Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again. Today we'll be learning how to develop a simple project as a beginner in software development. Now this project is called Temple Run. Most of you might have heard of Temple Run or might have even played a game called Temple Run. And to those who have not heard of it, it's a simple game where a pack of wolves will be chasing you in the forest where you need to run for your life. And while you are running, you will face certain obstacles and you need to jump over in order to find your way out. Now before we go ahead to develop this game, let's go ahead and play the game to see how it works before we can learn how to develop it. So now let's open the project and run the code to see how the game works. So I'll open the project. The name of it is called Temple Run. So this is the code. So let's run the code. Run it. Now after you've run the code, you say welcome to Temple Run. You find yourself in a mysterious world full of obstacles. Your mission is to reach the end without getting caught. Good luck. Enter your name. So you have to enter your name before you can play the game. So let's say I'm called John. Then I enter John and press the enter key. Now they say hello John. A giant boulder rolling towards you. 10 meters to go. What will you do? So we have three options. The first option is to run around the obstacle, and the second is to try to jump over it, and the third is to stand your ground and face it. So you have to choose either 1, 2 or 3. So let's select if something is rolling towards you. It's possible you can jump over it. So I take 2 as my option, then I press enter. So the next thing is a deep jumps in front of you, 9 meters to go. What will you do? I can still jump over it, so I'll press 2 again. Now the third is a swarm of bees blocking your path, 8 meters to go. What will you do? I can still jump over it, then I press enter. Then I press enter. I press enter. Now a pack of wolves chasing you, 5 meters to go. What will you do? If something is chasing you, the only thing is to run around the obstacle, right? So I select 1 as my option, then I press enter. Now a giant boulder rolling towards you, 4 meters to go. What will you do? I will jump over it. That's option 2. I press enter. A swarm of bees blocking your path, 2 meters to go. What will you do? I can still jump over it. Now a deep jump in front of you, 1 meter to go. What will you do? I can jump over it. So number 2 is my option. I say congratulations, you made it through all the obstacles and reached the end. You win. So this is how the game is. This is how you can play the game. Now let's go ahead to learn how to develop the game. Now to those who have been watching my videos, you realize that I like using Replit a lot in all of my videos. If not all, most of them, I use Replit as my code editor. So if you are using Replit, go ahead, you select the Pygame template. This is where you will run your code. So you select Pygame template. Then the next thing is to import random. Then you define your display underscore introduction. So you can go through the code. Time will not permit us to go through the whole code. You can pause the video and then go through the code to learn to get familiar with all these things. And then you also get the end results as what we have gotten here. So you can go through the code step by step. So once you're able to come out with the same code, you can run it and practice this game at your own time. So if you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe, like our video and share to those who are in need of this video. Thank you for watching and hoping to see you in the next video. Love you.